Hello guys, welcome guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to go in with a candlestick as a beginner. If you're a beginner in this market trade and you are actually in a loss, anytime you trade you lose money, or maybe you have a $0. Now come with me. Let me show you guys on how to make massive profits with just a little bit equity account into massive profit. And please don't forget, I'm showing you guys on indicators on how to go into trade and make massive profit. And if you want to learn more about this, I'll be dropping my links on my bio or my comment section. Please text me right now. Let me guide you on how to make massive profit, and I'll be adding you up in my free Telegram channel where I'll teach you guys and I will give you guys a free Telegram or signals or a free trade every morning. Now I'll be showing you guys on how to go into a market with a candlestick. Clearly, I'll show you guys on how to read candlestick before going into market as a beginner. Now, one mistake that everybody make in this market trade is not really a place that you come and you play, or you just make profit by luck. There is no luck in market trade. Market trade is moved by people that sells, that have the big boys in the market, that move the market. Now you see, in forex trade, the big boys enter the market, you will have to follow those big boys, because you don't want to go against those big boys in the market. Big boys are those people that actually trade with bigger account, bigger lot size, and bigger money. Now they're the one that is controlling the market the way it's supposed to be. Now you don't want to go against those big boys in the market, because sometimes you see your indicator, you analyze your candlestick, you feel like, okay, this market is actually going to sell, but the big boys are in the market, they decided to buy, and at the end of the day you see the market is actually buying rapidly and are very active. Now let me show you how to indicate if the big boys is in the market to trade. Now first of all, about the candlestick, when you look at the candlestick of the trade, you see that the candlestick, they are actually going very fast and very active. Like as you can see, these candlesticks, when the big boys come into the market, they buy. As you can see, they sell. They have to push the market below. If I should go over to 1 hour time frame, or if I should go over to another particular time frame, you see what I'm actually talking about. Now I'm actually in 5 minutes time frame. You see how the market moves and how the market indicates. Now take a look at the candlesticks. Now if the big boys are in town, how to indicate how the big boys in town? Okay, imagine the big boys entering in the market and they sell. Now how do you indicate when the big boy sells in the market, and how to enter with the big boys and make massive profit? Now if the big boys in the market and they are selling, and even if the market is buying but they are selling, you see the candlesticks move very large and big, more than it moves up. Let me come clear. Now if the market is going up, if the market is going on, you see it will drop a little candlestick, then it will come down with a bigger candlestick, and come down again with a bigger candlestick. You know that the big boys are actually pushing this market down to sell. Now you have to enter sell if your indicator shows you particular sell market, and you know exactly how to do. That's how big boys work in the market. So before you go into market, know when to go into market, minus your indicator and plus your level of forex trading strategy. You have to know when the big boys enter the market to indicate how fast and how reliable you could make profit in that particular market. Yes. So, like I was saying, punch it in my DM. I'll be adding you up in my free Telegram channel where I will be showing you guys on how to trade particularly. And don't forget, it's a free Telegram channel. I have about thousands of people in my VIP Telegram channel. That's actually paid Telegram channel. But I will be adding you guys up in my free Telegram channel. This is actually Telegram channel that I just opened for those of you that can't actually afford my VIP Telegram channel. So I open it for you guys to participate and go into the market and learn more about the market. Yes, and learn more about the market, and I'll be the one guiding you because I was guided. I have over five years experience in this particular market, and I made a lot of profit, and I make a lot of profit. So and your money and your time and anything is not really my concern. What I'm here to do is to teach you guys on how to make massive profit so that you can be able to benefit also in the market. I know those of you guys that actually lose every time you go into this market. You find yourself losing. Some of you guys, when you trade, you always lose, even when you uh take perfect signals from all these VIP or all these big forex trader. You take signals from them, you still lose even when they are winning, but you still end up blowing your account. Even if you win a little bit, you still find yourself blowing your account. Please come into my DM for an account management. If you are not comfortable with the account management, come into my DM. I'll be adding you up in my free Telegram channel where you will learn and you will learn how to manage your account. Please, for those of you that actually trade, possibly, I'm going to be telling you guys a little secret about forex trading. Now, forex trading is not even for the VIP, even for the professionals. Forex trading is not a place that you come and take all the money and become rich in just one day. Forex trading is a place that you know what you are trading, you go in, then you make money, then you go out. All right, come clear. I said forex trading is a place you go in, you make money, then you come out. You don't skip that coming out. You can't say, okay, I'm going to make $500 in this particular trade, and boom, your market gets to $500 profit, and you are profitable. Then you decided to say, okay, I'm going to still stick in this market for $1K. That's not how to trade in forex trading, because definitely if you are looking for $500, that's discipline. Then when you change your mind looking for more than $500, that's foolishness, because definitely the market can reverse at any time. Big boys can come into the market and destroy what you actually focus or what you think about the market. Because the market, you need to watch the market, you need to trade and watch it and know when to go or home or when to run. And most importantly, you need to use your indicators and your take profit and take loss. Yeah, you need to take profit and take loss. You need to put your stop loss, you need to take your profit, you need to put your take profit at the top, you need to put your stop loss at the down, exactly what you can lose. And you need to take your take profit at the top, exactly what you needed in the market. The market can actually sell. Maybe you saw the market is going to sell massively, or the market is going to go exactly your way. Don't rush into this market. Take profit and go. Don't wait for $50, 100K, $200K for you to close. You can only make a mistake when you're waiting for all those things. So that's why I always advise you guys, before you trade, please go to a professional trader that knows exactly what he's doing or what she's doing. Learn more about trading. Learn more about indicators and candlesticks before you go into trading. Now, I'll still be offering you a free Telegram channel to join in. What you just got to do is text me on my DM on my Telegram channel. I'll be adding you up in my free Telegram channel where we collect a free signals, and you collect indicators and learn and some strategy on how to go into forex trading. Now I'll be leaving you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you need more, watch all my videos. You learn.